Shalom, healthy greeting for all of us are related because of this COVID-19 pandemic, so I will present it online with the material identifying segment and target market. Well, my name is Andrianis Torus, NPM 18510018, AB1 group. The company cannot deal with all of its customers in a large, broad or diverse market, but they can divide such market into consumer group or segment with different needs and desires. Then the company must identify which market segment it can serve effectively. This decision requires an in-depth understanding of consumer behavior and careful strategic thinking. To develop the best marketing plan, manager must understand what makes each segment unique and different. One profitable market segment is baby boomers. Around 76 million American consumers born between 1946 and 1964. Although baby boomers represent right target, have an annual purchasing power of $1 trillion and control 3/4 of the wealth of the United States. Market often ignore them. For example, in network television circles, views over the age of 50 are called undesirable because advertising is more interested in view aged 18 to 49. But with so many baby boomers reaching their 60s and even the last half reaching 40, the demand for production to turn back time is even greater. According to one survey, half of all boomers are depressed and feel they are not young anymore. And nearly 1 in 5 baby boomers actively reject the aging process as they research for ways to stay young. The sale of hair replacement and coloring equipment, health club membership, home exercise equipment, skin toning creams, nutritional supplements, and organic food jump altogether. In addition, contrary to conventional marketing policies that the consumer brand profession over 50 years is fixed, one study found that 52% of boomers are willing to change brand. In line with the total population of the boomers, market point will continue to grow in the coming years. In 2020, proportion of U.S. adults over 65 will be 20% compared to only 12% in the year 2005. To compete more effectively, now many companies are implementing target marketing. The point being that the company does not emit their marketing effort but focus on the consumer who have the greatest opportunity to satisfy them. Effective target marketing requires marketing number 1, identifying and determining profile of various groups of buyers who have different needs and preferences, or market segmentation. Number 2, selection one or more market segments to enter, setting target or target markets. Number 3, for each target segment, determine and communicate the various benefits of the company's market offering, market positioning. Level market of segmentation, the starting point for describing segmentation is mass marketing. In mass marketing, sellers carry out mass production, mass distribution, and mass promotion of one product for all buyers. Most companies, one of 4 level, segment marketing, niche, local area, and individual. Segment marketing. The market segment consists of a group of customers who have a similar set of needs and wants. We can determine the character of market segment in various ways. One way is to identify the preference segment. Homogeneous preference exists when all consumers have almost the same preference. The market does not show natural segment. In other extreme metals, consumers with diffuse preference have very variable preference. The last group reference is generated when a natural market segment arises from a group of consumers with similar preference. Niche marketing. A niche is a narrow group of customers who seeks a different mix of benefit. Marketers usually identify a niche by dividing one segment into subscriptions. Local marketing. Local marketing reflects a growing trend called grassroots marketing. Marketing activity concerned on being as close as possible and personally relevant as possible to individual customers. People who like local marketing see national advertising as useless because it is too far away and fails to deliver local needs. Those who oppose local marketing argue that local marketing increases manufacturing and marketing costs by reducing economies of scale, increasing logistic problems. Individual marketing. The final segmentation level leads to segment 1, customized marketing or one-on-one marketing. Now, customers are starting to take more individual initiative in deciding what to buy and how. They enter the internet, search for information, and evaluate product or service offerings. Hold dialogue with supplier, user, and product critic, and in many cases design the product they want. The basis of consumer market segmentation. We use two broad groups of variables for consumer market segmentation. Some research try to define segment by looking at described characteristics, geographical, demographic, and psychographic. Then, they check whether this customer segment has different product needs or response. Other research try to define segment by looking at behavior consideration, such as customer response to benefit, reason for use, or brands. Whatever type of mention scheme we use, the key is to adjust the marketing program to recognize customer difference. Geographical segmentation. Geographical segmentation requires the division of market into various geographical units such as countries, states, region, district, city, or the surrounding environment. Company can operate in one or several regional or operate in all regional while still paying attention to local variation. For example, Hilton hotels adjust their room and lobby according to location. Demographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation, we divide market into groups based on variables such as age, family size, family life cycle, gender, income, occupation, education, religion, race, generation, nationality, and social class. One of the reasons demographic variables are so popular for marketers is that those variables are often closely related to the needs and desires of consumers. Psychography segmentation. Psychography segmentation is the science of using psychology and demography to better understand consumers. In psychographic segmentation, buyers are divided into various groups based on psychology or personality, trait, lifestyle, or value. People in the same demographic group can have very different psychographic profiles. Different levels of resource interest or limit one's expression or main motivation. For groups with higher resource are number 1, inventor, people who are successful, sophisticated, active, in control with high self-esteem. Purchases often reflect education taste for related luxurious nice orientation product and service. Number 2, thinkers. Nature satisfied and reflective by idealism and value order, knowledge and responsibility. They look for durability, functionality, and value in the product. Number 3, achiever, successful people, goal-oriented, are career and family focused. They like expensive products that demonstrate success to their friends. Number 4, people who experience young, enthusiastic, and impulsive people who are looking for diverse and pleasure. They spend a high proportion of income on clothing, entertainment, and socializing. For groups with low resources are: number 1, adherent conservative, conventional, and traditional people with concrete belief. They are more like the product of the United States that are now and each to a famous brand. Number 2, hardworking, trendy people who likes to have fun with limited resources. They like stylish products that mimic consumer purchases with greater material wealth. Number 3, makers, practical, humble people who are independent and like to work with their hands. They are looking for products made in the United States with a practical or functional purpose. Number 4, survive with old and passive people who are worried about change. They are loyal to their favorite brands. The basis for business market segmentation. Segment a business market with some of the same variables we use in the consumer market, such as geography, the benefits sought, and the level of usage, but business market also use other variables. Demographic variables are the more important variable, followed by operating variable to the buyer personal characteristic. In certain target industry and customer size, companies can then further play segmentation based on purchasing criteria. Determinant of target market. There are many statistical techniques for knowing market segment. After the company identifies the opportunity for its market segment, the company must decide how many and which market segment rather best is proposing the 7-step approach that is shown. Number 1, segmentation based on need. Number 2, segment identification. Number 3, segment attraction. Number 4, segment profitability. Number 5, segment positioning. Number 6, achieve test segment. Number 7, marketing mix strategy. Effective segmentation criteria. To be useful, market segments are sorted by 5 key criteria, namely: number 1 criteria, measurable, size, purchasing power, and segment characteristic can be measured. Number 2 criteria, substantial, the segment is large enough and profitable to be served. The point of a segment must be the large homogeneous group that is worth pursuing with a customized marketing program. Number 3 criteria, accessible, segment can be reached and served effectively. Number 4 criteria, can be differentiated, segment can be conceptually different and have different response to different marketing mix elements and programs. Number 5 criteria, can be followed up. Effective program can be formulated to attract and serve segment. Evaluate and select market segment. Some attractive segments might not fit the company long-term goals, or the company might not have an or more competition need to offer superior value. After evaluating various segments, The company can consider 5 target market selecting pattern market. Number 1. Single segment concentration. Certain market segment may change in the opposite direction or competitor may enter the segment. When digital camera technology is introduced, Polaroid drops sharply. Super segment is a collection of segments that have several similarities that can be exploited. Number 2. Selective specialization. Number 3. Product specialization. Number 4. Market specialization. The company concerns on serving the various needs of one particular customer group. The company has a strong reputation for serving this customer group and its channel for additional products that can be used by customer groups. The bad risk is the customer groups can experience budget cut or shrinkage. Number 5. Full make coverage. The company tries to serve all group of customers with all the product they might need. Additional consideration. There are two additional considerations in evaluating and selecting segment, namely, number 1, play innovation segment per segment. Mega marketing is a strategic coordination of economic, psychological, political, and public relation expertise to get the cooperation of a number of parties to enter or operate in certain market. Pepsi used mega marketing to enter the Indian market. Number 2, the ethical choice of the target market. Marketers must aim carefully at fragment to avoid point consumer critics. Some consumer may refuse to be named. Determination of target market can also cause public controversy. Alright, that's all my presentation today. Less and more, I apologize. Thank you. God bless us. Shalom.